Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to export your messages from private groups on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you've been searching for a way to save or back up your conversations, this method is fast, secure, and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on them. This will open up the main menu where all of your options and settings are located. From that menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, you'll notice a number of categories, but the one we need is labeled Advanced. Click on Advanced to continue. Now, scroll down until you find the option called Export Telegram Data. This is the feature that makes it possible to save your conversations to your computer. Click on it and you'll be presented with a list of different types of data that you can export. Since we're focusing on private group conversations, you'll want to select only private groups. Then, right below that, make sure to check Only My Messages. This ensures that the export includes only the messages you've personally sent, not the entire group's chat history. Once you've set this up correctly, press Export. Depending on how much data you have, the process might take a few minutes. Be patient while it works. After the export is complete, you'll see an option that says Show My Data. Click on it, and your saved messages will open up directly on your computer. From here, you can review them, store them safely, or use them as a backup whenever you need. And that's it. You've successfully exported your personal messages from private groups on Telegram. This feature is extremely helpful for keeping important conversations safe or just for archiving your own digital history. If you found this guide clear and helpful, don't forget to practice the steps yourself so you'll be ready anytime you need to back up your messages. Thanks for following along.